with the amount of cases that we had, it was very difficult to go and check one by one cases that had date last insureds that matched the date last insureds that we have with we had in Litify. It was difficult to track, when they were like last coming up on the last status report manually. And so that was a really big problem area for us. Before Chronicle, the problems that were harder to identify, I mean, they come up kind of everywhere, but some specific examples is we would have a case that was pending for hearing and we would believe that it was, Title II and Title 16 claim. And then we get up to the hearing, and by the time we check the e-file, the claim is only pending in Title II with the DLI that's, 10 years ago or more. And so based on Social Security's rules, the case evaluation is really different when it's like a 10-year-old case. And so we'd end up having to withdraw from hearings because of lack of viability, like for that reason. And sometimes in several scenarios, we'd been holding on to that case for years where we should have gotten out of it sooner. That's not good for a lot of reasons. I mean, obviously we're using our bandwidth, but it's also not cool for the clients when we're giving them hope that we're going to be able to appeal and potentially be successful at the hearing level. If we had a better look at it and understood the DLI and the Title 16 application wasn't viable, that we should have cut the case a long time ago. And so that's one example that would come up periodically. And so when clients call in and they're asking for help because they received something in the mail, team often goes through the dance of trying to ask the client to send us a picture of the letter that they got, or, read the title so that we can identify what's going on in the case, because sometimes we hadn't received that document yet.